Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today is Saturday. Finally it's weekend after a long week. It's a very tough week. So I'm going to take a walk around my area. So I'm going to go hiking up the mountain. So after several weeks raining, today finally there's a little bit of sunshine. So I can show you guys the area that I'm working. So here is my estate. I need to walk all the way to here, take the footbridge and cross the street, go to the mountain. So let's go. Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah. Over there, there's a lift to go up to the footbridge. There's some workers cleaning the street. So in Hong Kong, there's so many people who take care of the hygiene of the street, etc., etc. Very good public service here, to be honest. So we are waiting for the lift to go up to the footbridge. Yeah, in Hong Kong, so you can see there's many kinds of this lift and the escalator to have people to go up to somewhere, going up to the mountain, going up to the footbridge. It's very good public facility here in Hong Kong. So people is hanging the clothes outside of the footbridge to make it dry. The housing in Hong Kong is very small and there's no space for people to hang the clothes indoor. Also, the electricity price here is pretty high. Using the dryer is also good, but it's going to consume a lot of electricity, which, yeah, you can hang outside, save more money. So we go down the footbridge. So over there, the path is here, right next to me. There's a small path next to the lift where we can go up. Here you go. I think this path is constructed by the people around here. Normally the government will make a proper staircase, but to be more convenient, the people just do it by themselves to make it right next to the lift over here. So when they go down the lift, they just can go up. Yeah, like this mountain next to my estate. It's a very quiet area. There's not that many people, and also there's not that many tourists around this area because this area is kind of a bit at the outside border of Hong Kong, so not many tourists here. It's quiet and peaceful. You can see here along the way, people just putting the chairs so that they can rest while they're walking here. It could be one of the facility I'm using sometimes. to sit and chill out. Smoking some cigar up here. It's very relaxing. A couple of days ago I come here. There's so much mud and stone on the street. It due to the big rain for 2-3 consecutive weeks. It's quite dangerous. Yeah, but now the government already cleaned up the street. Previously here is full of mud and stone. Let's see if I can go all the way to the top. And maybe take my drone out and fly up to capture some scene for you guys to see. Let's see how much power, energy I have. You see the way is quite well constructed. It's not a rough road in the mountain at nowhere that you have no path to walk. On the street is very rough. The path is very rough. Here the government, they build the facilities quite well. Every single mountain that we have the covered street for people to take a walk, to go hiking. To be honest, the life here is very stressful. So the government always create a facility for people to release the stress. You see, even on the mountain, there's a trash bin. People also come here to collect the trash. Someone also built a small camp here so that they can go inside to chill out. It's very good, right? Oh, this path is really nice. The tree cover your head 360. So this path may go down, so we go up this path. Without this step, I don't think I can make it. I can't go on the rough road. With all sand and rocks, they will kill me. We have a resting area up there. Thanks God. Up there. Whew. Another resting area. Lovely. Oh, finally have the seat. Ooh. Cool weather. Not too hot, not too cold. It's a long way up to go. Oh, this thing is crazy, you know. Oh. I don't think with this level of wind I can fly the drone. It's too dangerous. I will lose my drone for this. I just recognize today the Typhoon 1 signal is hosted. Oh, cannot. Hey, we find a very nice spot for resting. I think I have a cigar here. Yeah, here you go. Very nice spot. Also, there's a solar light. It's getting dark. We have the light on. Nice. Whoa! All the way to the top. Nice. This spot is for sightseeing. Hey, finally arrived. Very good spot to relax, chill here. Weather is very cool. It's windy, but not too strong. I hope it's not going to rain because the Typhoon 1 is coming. Fresh air. Okay, it's time to smoke a cigar. Oh, finally get all the way to the top of the mountain. It's very chill and relaxed here. Even it's raining, I'm not afraid because there's still to cover it. What everyone doing today for the weekend? What are you doing today? What you're playing today? Or even what you're smoking today? You let me know in the comment section. Let's discuss about it. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the cigar I smoked today. Maybe do a little bit of review for the stick that I'm smoking, and let everyone know about the flavor profile. Some a little bit about the brand that produced this cigar. Got my pouch here. This one can contain 3 cigars inside. So what I'm having today, let me see, 3 stick. One from La Flor Dominican, is the Cameron wrapper. One from Drew Estate, one from My Father. Both of them is Connecticut wrapper. But this one is the best one. I'm very deep into this one recently. I'm going to smoke this one today. So, cigar I'm gonna smoke today is the My Father cigar. It's from My Father factory. So this cigar has Connecticut wrapper. It's a beautiful band. It has Connecticut, Ecuador Connecticut wrapper. Binder and filler is from Nicaragua. Okay. So today I'm using the V cut, my favorite cut, to cut this stick. I use my favorite DuPont lighter to toast this cigar. Let's toast it. opening with opening the cigar with a very good cedar and nutty. No spicy yet. Even my father is very famous on the spicy and peppery taste. Roasted peanut, cedar. It's a very good cigar, very good one. Just slightly peppery, very relaxing stick. I can taste a little bit earthy from the back of the tongue. Very raw and balanced flavor of combination of nutty. I would say what kind of coffee it is. The hazelnut coffee and cedar. On the retro hammer, we pick up some salty flavor and earthy, kind of leathery. This cigar is Connecticut, but it packed into the very complex flavor. The complexity is high. Interesting. See what we got in the second third and the final third. So when I smoke the cigar, I like to enjoy the beauty of the band, everything, the wrapper, the band, the construction, the size of the cigar by looking at it while I'm enjoying it. So that's why I never take off the cigar band when I light up the cigar, because I want to see the beauty of it until I have to take it off. Then I don't want to smoke the band, so I will take it off when I have to. I will leave it as long as possible to enjoy the beauty of it. Yeah, because I'm going hiking today, so I will drink with some dehydrated water. It doesn't have much flavor, so it will not impact to the taste of the cigar I'm smoking. Anyway, let me ask ChatGPT something about this cigar. Tell me something about My Father Connecticut cigar, including construction. taste and history. By the way, the size I'm smoking now is Corona Gorda, 6 by 48. It's the best size of this series, My Father Connecticut. So this cigar is featured with the Ecuadorian Connecticut shade wrapper. Okay, so I'm right. It has the Nicaragua Corojo 99 biter. Wow, Nicaragua Corojo 99 biter is very good leaf. No wonder why it's packed with full of flavor. And the filler is Nicaragua Habano and Criollo leaf. Oh, tasty leaf. So this cigar is, for sure, is handcrafted in Nicaragua in the My Father factory. So the taste profile will be earthy note, driven by sweet hay, grass, cedar, and a nice touch of red pepper. The retro have revealed the nutty, woody, and the peppery tones. Interesting. So this stick, My Father Connecticut, was introduced as an extension of My Father and My Father Le Bourgeois lines. Le Bourgeois is a very, very good cigar that got the #1 cigar in 2024. So the history of My Father cigar is launched by 2008 by Pepin Garcia. So Pepin Garcia is the founder of this cigar brand. He also have another brand called Don Pepin. Very interesting. So it was designed to appeal smoker who want a milder cigar that still deliver the signature complexity. Yeah, it's all right about the cigar. It's not mild, by the way, but it has a lot of complexity inside. Guys, what ChatGPT tell me, I picked up some of the notes inside what I just read. Let me try the second third and the final third and see what's cigar going, whether it will fall flat at the final third or still keep the grain. Okay, so I'm reaching the final, the second third of the cigar. All the flavor that I pick up from the first third is still there. It's very good, very consistent. And also I start to pick up some musty flavor that you normally pick up from the very well aged tobacco. It's musty, the sound is very negative, but it's a positive taste that you get in the cigar world. It proves that the tobacco has aged and everything has been smoothed out. It has a musty flavor. It's very relaxing to pick up this kind of note. So you must be wondering what I'm using to record the video. Well, I'm having my phone here. So I'm using the very compact action camera called Action 5 Pro from DJI. It's a very compact camera. The anti-vibration, anti-shock is very good. The frame rate is very stable while I'm walking and talking. And also the video quality is very nice. It's up to 4K 120, but I'm using only 4K. So when I buy the equipment to do the video, I always prioritize the one that is compact, can resist the shock. Because I'm not the careful person that will pack the camera so well in a very proper place, that I will prefer something that can stand the shock, can stand the drop. So this one is the best one. It's very compact, very small. I can bring it anywhere I want. So I will open my camera and let you see what I'm using. So you can see here. Yeah, this one is the camera I'm using. You can see it's very small. Right. Yeah, so I'm coming back on the final third of the cigar and share my experience how it tastes. Again, whether will it fall flat for the flavor and whether it gets stronger. I'll give you an update. I'm not sure how everyone thinks, but for the whole week, I have to work very hard. I have to deal with so many problems, and I'm so tired. And I feel like the time passed by so slow. And I'm expecting the weekend, so where I can rest more and enjoy more in the weekend. But when the weekend actually arrives, I feel struggling whether I should stay at home to sleep and rest more, but I have the struggling inside. If I just stay home to sleep, rest more, I will feel better, but then after that I rest to go to work again in Monday, or I go out to have some walk, go hiking, do some outdoor activity, enjoy myself smoking the cigar. But I'm struggling again that I have no energy to do it. So I was fighting, really fighting on the bed this morning, and finally I make the decision. Okay, let's go out to do something that I cannot do in the weekdays. So I end up here, even I didn't do so much activity. I'm not that exercising so frequent people. Yeah, but it's good going outside, have a walk, and then smoke outdoors instead of locking myself in the room and then going downstairs to smoke. It just feels like in the weekdays, nothing different. While my kid and my wife is going out to enjoy themselves. Someone will say, oh, your husband, you have to accompany your kid and wife, but yeah, I'm not enjoying it too much for the kid playground. While my wife is actually enjoying with my daughter, and she's okay for me to go out by myself making the video. Then, well, we do our own stuff, so we still meet at home, having dinner together, playing, laughing. It's all good. So seems the typhoon one is coming. I hope it won't be so crazy up here. Let me just check the weather. So the weather forecast say it's very hot, but I don't feel it's so hot. It's 29 degrees Celsius. It's not too hot. So this one is the app that I'm using to check the weather in Hong Kong. In Hong Kong, they have the weather forecast station and they update everything inside this app. It's very useful and, to be honest, quite accurate. So I can see in which day the temperature will be very hot. There's a warning of hot weather. There's a warning of typhoon. There's a warning of strong wind, cold in winter. There's some warning for the cold level. So here in Hong Kong, if the typhoon, so we have 10 level of typhoon, typhoon 1 to typhoon 10. Typhoon 1 to 3 all the way to 5 is still okay. You don't have to stay home, you still have to go to work normally, because just take the subway or take the bus to go to work. But Typhoon A, by the government law, from Typhoon A and above, you have the right to stay home, don't have to go to work. So you don't need to wait for your HR to send an email, okay, you can take leave today because it's Typhoon A. By default, you just stay home. And they don't have the right to ask you to go to work, except for some society service, like the fireman, police, the doctor, nurse in the hospital. They have to go to work to make sure that if anything happens, they will be there. So there is some exception. Okay, so I think I'm reaching to the final third of the cigar. So in general, the flavor is still all there. The nutty flavor is falling to the back, become like the hint of nutty stuff at the forefront. And still have coffee or coffee pepper. The red pepper taste is ramming up. Still have cedar. It's still full of flavor there. It's a very good and consistent cigar. This one is, wow, it's remarkable. Okay, so I think my video today is coming to an end. I'm very happy you guys enjoy my video. So I'm not earning the money from the YouTube. Due to the nature of my content is about the cigar, so it's the topic that YouTube is not going to pay me. So if you like and love my content, my YouTube content, you can consider to donate to my channel. I put the link in the description and also my channel description. You can make the donation if you see it's worth your time and entertain you, then you can consider to support me, and thanks in advance for all the support from you guys. Even you are viewing my video is also the biggest support from your side, even bigger than you make the donation to me. And thanks you guys thanks a lot for your support if you donate to my channel. And thanks again, and see you again in the next video. Cheers.